Hello everybody, I'm Devin.
I'm Mango.
And today I'm riding River Adventure for the first time.
Yeah, I told him it's not that bad, and he believed me.
I'm scared. I'm very scared. Very scared. My glasses. Look at Minions Cafe. Whoa. Yo, we just got off Mummy. We're getting on Transformers now. One ride. Here we go. Transformers done.
Done. We're heading to
E.T. E.T. got these new passes. I managed to take a picture of mine really quick. But yeah, the interplanetary passports for E.T. have changed, and they look really good. Entering Springfield, we just finished E.T.
We did. So that's three.
3 rides. We're heading to Men in Black. We just got off of Men in Black.
I won.
Mango won by like 20K. Still won, yeah. Alright, we don't know where we're heading next though.
So we just fast pass.
Yeah, we're just gonna fast pass Simpsons now. We are headed to Gringotts now after Simpsons. So that puts us at 5. 5 total.
Cinco.
Yeah. It's windy. So we just got off of Gringotts, but we did it twice.
In a row.
Yeah, the cast members were lovely enough to let us just ride again.
We didn't ask, by the way. They just said if we wanted to ride it again. We were like, sure.
Yeah, that was really nice of them. So we appreciate everyone that works at Gringotts. We just got off Hogwarts Express. We're going to Jurassic Park River Adventure. It's my first time riding. The wind probably sucks right now.
Devin's scared.
I'm very scared. River Adventure Aftermath. I'm soaked. After River Adventure, we decided to get a bite to eat. We stopped at Green Eggs and Ham for pizza tots and Buffalo Ranch tots. After that, we headed to Velocicoaster. We are going home. We're going home.
It's hot.
It's hot. We just rode Spider-Man and Velocicoaster that we didn't show in the vlog because I forgot to record them like an idiot. But I'm recording now, so I don't have to record at home, which is good. Alrighty, everybody, we just got done at Universal.
Yes.
Yes, we rode 12 rides. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's a lot. That's more than last time. So we beat our 5-hour record.
But we still have to beat our world record.
We still have to beat our world record of 19.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll do that.
Soon.
We'll do that soon. All right. Bye.